Step into a world of opulence and comfort at the Pradera, Dallas, a sanctuary of luxury student living nestled in the heart of the Lone Star State. Located in a vibrant yet peaceful neighborhood, the Pradera offers a wide range of student apartments, from cozy private rooms to lively shared spaces, ensuring you get the best of both worlds. Each unit opens up to cozy bedrooms with wood-style flooring, spacious walk-in closets, and chef-inspired kitchens. Furthermore, the property also features a curated selection of resort-inspired features, from vibrant outdoor lounges with cozy fireplaces, swimming pools with a sun deck to 24/7 fitness center, club room, residence business center, and even a dedicated dog park for your furry companions. When it's time to hit the books, both the University of Texas and Richland College are just a quick 8-minute drive away. And for nature enthusiasts, Point North Park is your backyard playground, just a stone's throw away. On weekends, explore the diverse neighborhood brimming with delectable dining options, cafes, shopping centers, and easy access to major freeways and transport links. And there you have it, the Pradera Apartments, where luxury living meets Texan hospitality. Visit amberstudent.com now and book your dream accommodation today.